In just a short time, closing arguments are expected to begin in the Fort Hood shooting trial, and the jury could get the case later today. But there still may be a very long legal road ahead for Major Nidal Hasan. Criminal defense attorney Carl Haggard joins us now to explain the next step. What happens next? First off, thank you for being here.
Thank you for having me.
Now, is there any chance that you think the jury might come back with a verdict that would be other than guilty, even though Hasan started on the first day of trial saying, "I am the one who actually did it"?
Jose, I don't think the outcome is in doubt, even in a contested matter where there's been recently in 2005 a guilty verdict on a gentleman by the name of Hassan Akbar, who grenaded fellow soldiers, killed 2, injured 14 in Kuwait. He put on a defense of impairment, psychological problems, and he is one of the 5 soldiers who are currently in Leavenworth waiting execution.
Okay, the sentencing phase of this particular court-martial, is it going to be like a mini-trial? What will happen?
Yes, it is in fact a mini-trial. It's a trial all unto itself. Under the Uniform Code of Military Justice, both sides, both the state, the government, and the defense are allowed to put on what's called mitigating factors and aggravating factors. That is basically what the government has been doing for this long period of time. Clearly there were murders. The government had said that they're asking for the death penalty, and the aggravating factor here that they put them on notice of was that it was multiple murders. Now, different from a regular state civilian jury, they have to be unanimous, as the state juries do, but in addition they have to be unanimous that the mitigating factors are substantially outweighed by the aggravating factors. And some people think that the Uniform Code of Military Justice is very lax. However, very interestingly, no verdict can be rendered for death unless each member of the panel just simply believes that the death penalty is appropriate. So they have to add that extra step, and any member could simply say, for no other reason, I don't think it's appropriate, not give the death penalty. So it's possible, but in this case, I don't think it's going to be likely.
Well, we'll just have to see what happens later today to see if they actually get the information in order for them to go into deliberations. Attorney Carl Haggard, thank you so very much for being here and explaining your expertise in this matter about what's taking place.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you.